Okay, this time we're at Coral Island. We're having a wee shot on the Parrot Flyer. We've got our wee family here. They're all excited. There you are, so just give us a few minutes. We're just going to go up the stairs. We're going to take you on the Parrot Flyer and have a wee tour around Coral Island. Let's walk up the stairs now just towards the Parrot Flyer. We're going to let you see a wee bit of Coral Island. Look at all these pirates and all this excitement, all this colourful display. Hey, Stephanie. Right, we're just about to go. Once we go, we seem to have stopped for some reason. Oh, we're away. Yay. I'll lead to this side and balance it. Okay, Stephanie, what did you think of the Parrot Flyer?
It was amazing, I loved it. We're going it again.
Ah, who's it for? It's for the Waynes. There you are, that was our wee adventure on the Parrot Flyer. There you are, we're just going round now, coming back round, just to stop. Hopefully I've not been too heavy. So from me it's bye for the Parrot Flyer. We'll see you again at Coral Island. Bye bye. Okay, that was a wee adventure on the Parrot Flyer at Coral Island. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe. Davy Bubbles Entertainment. Subscribe. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.